Well, here we have a full-size Parrot accordion, 41 keys, 120 bass. This is a Chinese-made accordion, which would be nice as a economy starter. I'll go through the three reeds on the treble. We've got LMM tuning. Our first one is our clarinet, then bassoon, then bandoneon, master LMM, violin, clarinet, and bassoon. And on the left hand, 120 bass, 4 sets of reeds, master and tenor. So overall, a nice starter accordion that's full size and has 3 sets of reeds. I'll play you something so you can hear what it sounds like.